Girl, let's take a minute and talk about these cute, juicy spring twists, girl. What's up, BB gang? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, girl, what is up? Welcome to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But yes, y'all, let's get into these cute bomb twists. First thing first, guys, you're going to section off your hair into the size of the twist that you want. And to be honest, I don't even know if these are spring twists or passion twists, but girl, they turned out super cute. But anyway, yeah, you're going to section off your hair. I did put some Jamaican castor oil on my rubber band so it don't cause any breakage or, tension to my scalp. As you see here, the product I'm using on my scalp is called Shine and Jam in the red container. So the company called Xtrend reached out to me about doing a review on their hair. So this is the hair that I'm using. They sent me 3 packs of their spring twist hair in the color 1B and 8 inches. So everything about this hair will be listed in the description box if you would like to go and purchase this hair. I will be using 2 strands of the hair for each twist. So I will twist the top about 3 or 4 times just to cover up the rubber band, and then I will start twisting down. And I am using Shining Jam once again to seal my real hair with the twist so it could blend. And yeah, I just keep wrapping tightly. And yeah, that is all to it, guys. This is like the easiest style to do. I don't understand why people pay so much money to get these passion twists, spring twists. In all honesty, they do not last long at all because your hair will start to come out of them. But it is a cute little style for, you know, like a week or two. But as far as paying someone for this, girl, no. You can go to the store, get your hair, or use the link that I will put down in the description box below. Buy you some hair, girl, and just do it yourself and save your money. So with that being said, guys, I'm gonna stop talking and let y'all watch this video and enjoy the music. Alright, BB gang, we have reached the ends of my tutorial. Let me know what you guys think about this style in the comments. And also, if you do try this style, don't forget to tag me on Instagram. My Instagram will be listed below. Also, the link about this hair will be in the description below. Go show them some love. This hair is super duper soft. I love it, and the shine and also the bounce is just amazing on this hair. So yeah, go check them out, guys. See you guys in the next one.